Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could share or send a file from your PC or laptop to your mobile phone using the Bluetooth. To do so, make sure first to turn on Bluetooth in your mobile phone. Next step, in the taskbar on the right side, you can click and you can enable Bluetooth. If you don't see this option or you cannot find it, that's not a problem. Go to the search tab and type Bluetooth. You see Bluetooth and other devices settings, click on to open. As a next step, make sure that this icon is enabled, so it's usually off. Just make sure to click to turn it on. As a next step, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. The next step, click on the first option, Bluetooth, mice, keyboard, etc. You will need to wait a few seconds and or maybe 1 or 2 minutes until the device is being found. And once you see your mobile phone name, then you can click on it. If you cannot see it, just click cancel and retry again. So here, for example, I see my phone name. I will click on it, and then I will go in the same time to my phone and click on pair in my phone and click here connect. Once you see the option done enabled, it means that the pairing or the connecting has been successful. Click done. Under other devices, you must see or you will see your phone. Leave it as it is, and the next step, go and locate the file which you want to send. At this stage, I want to send this file. So I will click with the right button of the mouse and we are going to select send to Bluetooth device. Make sure that your phone is not locked and it's in hand. Select phone and click next. You'll be prompted in your phone to accept the file. Just go ahead and click accept and the file has been sent. Once done, click finish and the file has been sent to your mobile phone. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.